Welcome to the demo of f-ai.in. It's an AI accountant. Typically, when you hire an accountant, back and forth happens. You need to do all the job manually using multiple softwares, say Tally or any Zoho Books or any kind of platform which you're using for accounting purposes. At the end of the day, you have to do things manually, and the manual work comes up with time and cost. Uh, and whether you like it or not, things are messy in the start, and you take a lot more time to address your accounting needs. Probably Jan invoices are closed by Feb end, and you get your financial reports by March, and then couple of senior members are going to review that file. Then you reach out to CAs, and then they again reach out to you back with their comments, and so back and forth happens a lot. So what we do is, the AI accountant is like, it does your job within 5 or 10 minutes. The setup time takes around 7 to 15 days, depending on your complexities of the business structure you have. But ideally, it's just that. This is the first page where you see like home, vision, log, services, subscriptions. You want to connect with us with respect to any particular services, say financial consultation, accounting, or tax preparation. Uh, Initially, it will be a free session, so you don't have to bother about it. You can have a demo of our accounting module, how it works, what all things goes by. Again, we are happy to hear from you. In the home page itself, you'll find the team details and what all services we provide, how AI is helping people and across all organizations, how they are simplify their structure, and how they are able to get their financial reports done within minutes. You got to log in. You can explore our social media platforms. You got to log in first here. Again, you will log in on dashboard. This will be on a subscription basis. Once you click here, you get to this page. This will be given to you on subscription basis. uh, just think of anything which comes under accounting process, be it invoice management, bank reconciliation, GST, compliances, anything legal. Everything is covered here itself. You have everything at your dashboard, and just at your fingertips. So how this model works is like, first you log in, then you create your KYC kind of stuff as to which organization you have. This is like, you can create in the same with the same email IDs and all. For example, if you're a CA professional or company, like any category, you can create your KYC stuff. For example, you have 2 3 offices, create the data and interact with that office data. You simply select upload, and then you choose invoice, bank statement, any documents, any specific reports you guys are making for your internal or internal accounting processes and all. You can share across, just very simple, just like Google Drive, the way you share the docs. If you have manual data, you can simply scan it out. Even with the phone, you can take that data and simply share here. We have classified all the invoices in certain categories as to uh, uh, minimize the whole process, and just to have a basic understanding, because this AI solution is a customized version, because it needs to have a basic understanding as to how your business operates. So if you guys are giving more and more data about, I mean, classified data in certain categories, it eases up the job. Then you can share your bank statements, and the best part is in the reconciliation part. You have all the features, like everything is mapped, and if you want to map it out manually, again, if there is any specific transactions, say there is a capital movement or some kind of transfer has happened, you can map it out like that. uh, and in case like 95 to 98% things are sorted, then we have some manual changes, like you never know. I mean, there are certain transactions in these categories where you have to do some manual changes or some manual adjustments as to your business needs. So you can do all sorts of things, and everything you do on, whether you can ask on our portal, we will do it on your part. Or if you are having enough knowledge, if you want to execute it on your own, you can do that part. And all the transactions, whatever you'll post, it will go to us to the CA portal. We have an internal audit team which verifies your transactions, and then it will get integrated in your financial accounts. And in case if you want to create any specific ledger or anything like that, that also you can do. uh, Multiple bank statements we can run through in one shot. And then the best part, when all your accounting is done, you get your reports in just like a corporate structure way, where you can visualize your reports as to where your expenses are going, where your incomes are flowing, where your how your equity is performing, how your debts is performing. You can have those interactions here. And the AI, with AI itself, you can ask for what all things are specific to your data. For example, your asset structure, your liabilities structure, your AR, APs, anything. You can simply ask and interact and get your answers uh, like in few seconds. You can download your reports from this button, um, and you have all the reports listed here. The dashboard itself, like balance sheet, cash flow. Initial this 5 segments are free for you, but rest of the reports are on subscription basis, depending on your organization category and your requirements. If you're We can customize the solution to your level. You can have your dashboards just like that. Any balance sheet, anything like that, you can explore your data on your fingertips. And if you wish to download it, you can download it right away. You want to have an audited sheet, again we have in-house CA. But if you are a CA and you want to use this platform to ease up your job, you don't have to worry about your folks whether they are available or not. All your client data can be done in one shot, very smoothly, and within 5-10 minutes. So if you want to experience this product, feel free to reach out to us. Probably we'll take this to another level, a specific demo or customized version for your needs. And yeah, feel free to reach out to us. We'll be happy to hear from you. Thanks.